In a factory in Texas right now, robots are stamping out cars that'll make that fantasy real. We're talking $25,000. This isn't just a new car, it's a wrecking ball aimed at everything we thought was possible. And it's rolling off assembly lines next year. Imagine walking past that rusty Camry in your neighbor's driveway and pulling into your garage with this, a full-tech Tesla. Silent electric motor, 15-inch touchscreen, autopilot ready, all for $1.19 a month. That's not a car payment. That's what most people spill at Starbucks every month. Suddenly, college kids, nurses, teachers, they're all in the game. So how does Tesla slash prices while Ford and Toyota sweat? The answer's in a machine that looks like a Terminator blacksmith. They call it Giga casting. Picture this, instead of welding 400 pieces together like a dinosaur, Tesla prints entire car sections in one molten pour. Giant robotic arms, sculpt aluminum like Play-Doh, fewer parts, zero welding errors, a 40% faster build, and here's the kicker, it saves $1,000 per car. That's why the math works. That's why they're building 1 million of these yearly in Mexico alone. LFP batteries aren't just cheaper, it's tougher. 530 km on a charge. That's New York to DC, on pennies. Safer too, no fiery thermal runaway nightmares. Plug into a supercharger, 15 to 80% in 18 minutes. Grab a coffee and you've added 400 km, but here's what'll melt your brain. The base model, 270 horsepower, 0-100 in 6.5 seconds. That's quicker than a Mustang GT from 2010. If your heart's racing right now, join our crew, hit subscribe, smash that bell too. This isn't just a car, it's a financial lifeline. $1,000 per year saved on gas. Zero oil changes, brakes that last forever. Suddenly, that teacher or single mom isn't choosing between groceries and repairs. And legacy automakers? They're scrambling. You can't compete with a car built like an iPhone when you're still assembling flip phones. So tell us below, would you trade your gas car for a $25,000? The revolution isn't coming, it's being cast in a Texas factory right now.